Quick question. Why does it feel like you study for hours and forget everything the next day? You read it, you highlight it, you feel productive, but when it's time to recall, blank. Here's the surprising part. Japanese students don't study longer than you. They just study differently. And once you understand how they do it, you'll never study the same way again. Japanese students are trained with one main goal, not to recognize information, but to recall it under pressure. Exams, presentations, real life. That's the difference. Most people study to feel smart. Japanese students study to prove it to their own brain. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Rereading notes isn't studying. Highlighting isn't studying. Watching videos faster isn't studying. It feels good because it's easy. But Japanese students use something called active recall. If you can't pull the answer out of your head without looking, you don't really know it yet. It's uncomfortable, but it works. Here's what they actually do. They study in short, focused blocks, usually 25 to 30 minutes. Then they close the book. No notes. No cheating. They ask themselves, what did I just learn? Can I explain it out loud? Can I write it from memory? If it feels hard, that's good. That struggle is your brain rewiring itself. Memory is built during difficulty, not comfort. This next part is huge. Japanese students don't rewrite notes by copying. They rewrite them from memory, even if it's messy, even if it's wrong. Then they check the book. Every gap you notice is exactly what your brain needs to fix. This creates a feedback loop, and that's why things start to stick. They also follow one powerful rule. If you can't teach it simply, you don't understand it yet. So they explain concepts out loud, to a friend, to themselves, even to a wall. No fancy words, just simple explanations. If you get stuck, you've found your weak spot, and now you know exactly what to work on. Let's make this practical. Tonight, try this. Study for 25 minutes. Close everything. Write or explain what you remember. Check the gaps. Repeat once. That's it. No long sessions. No burnout. Just smart pressure. Remember this. Japanese students don't have better brains. They have better systems. Stop studying to feel productive. Start studying to remember. Try this tonight, even once, and you'll feel the difference immediately.